Tofu milk servings. 1 block of tofu approx. 250 grams. Ingredients: 1 liter of milk whole, low fat or non-fat, 1 cup of water, 1-2 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar such as apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. Optional: salt, flavorings, for example garlic, ginger, or herbs. Equipment: a large pota blender or food processor, a cheesecloth or a clean, thin towel, a colander or strainer. Instructions: prepare the milk. Pour the milk into a large pot and add the water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until it reaches a temperature of 180 F to 190 F, 80 to C to 88 C. Coagulate the milk. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in the lemon juice or vinegar. This will cause the milk to curdle and separate into curds, solid parts, and whey, liquid parts. Let it sit. Allow the mixture to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, until it has fully curdled and the curds have firmed up. You'll notice that the mixture has separated into 2 distinct parts, the curds and the whey. Blend the curds. Use a blender or food processor to break down the curds into smaller pieces. This will help to create a smoother texture. Line the colander. Place a cheesecloth or a clean, thin towel over a colander or strainer. If using a towel, make sure it's large enough to cover the entire surface. Drain the curds. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the lined colander. Let the mixture drain for about 10 to 15 minutes, until most of the liquid has been removed and the curds have reached the desired consistency. Press the tofu. Gather up the edges of the cheesecloth or towel and give the tofu a gentle squeeze to remove any excess liquid. You can also use a plate or a weight to press down on the tofu and remove more liquid. Shape and chill. Transfer the tofu to a plate or a container and shape it into a block or a log. Chill the tofu in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to set. Serve. Your homemade tofu is now ready to use in your favorite recipes. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze it for later use. Tips and variations. For a firmer tofu, you can add more water to the milk mixture before coagulating it. For a creamier tofu, you can add a little bit of cream or half and half to the milk mixture. To add flavor to your tofu, you can stir in some salt, garlic, ginger, or herbs during the coagulation process. Experiment with different types of milk, such as almond milk or soy milk, to create a non-dairy tofu alternative.